Today, we'll show you how to complete an activity on your Garmin Swim 2. You will first start by selecting an activity profile. Press the Start button to see a list of options. Scroll up or down to see the list of profiles. Press Start again to select your profile. For this video, we will use the Pool Swim profile. After selecting this profile, you will be asked to select the pool size. You can select one of the preloaded sizes or enter a custom pool size. After selecting the pool size, you are ready to start the timer. Press the Start button to start the timer. Now, start swimming. When you are done with your swim, press the Stop button to stop the timer. Press down and then select Save. Your activity will save and you will see a summary of your activity stats. If your phone is nearby and connected through Bluetooth, your activity will start syncing with Garmin Connect. There you can review all of your activity details. And that's it! You can now complete an activity on your watch. For more videos on setting up and using your Garmin Swim 2, visit the Garmin Swim 2 page at support.garmin.com.